Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in Clipchamp. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already imported the footage, which we will use in this video. So let's add the video to the timeline. Now click on this caption icon right here, then click on Try Now, and you will see so many options in language that you can add caption in, from English to Hindi, every language. Now click on Transcribe Media and wait for some time to process it. Let's customize these captions. You can change the fonts from here, choose what you like. You can also change the color of the text by just clicking on this circle. Let's adjust the captions in the middle. You can also make captions bold. Now let's see advanced settings. You can adjust line height and letter spacing. If you want to add an outline on the captions, then just enable this button, and you can also do the same with shadow as well. That's how you can add captions in Clipchamp. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.